Have you ever said something like, "I'm at the bus," or "I live on London," and then someone corrected you, but you weren't sure why? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, you'll finally understand the difference between in, on, and at, once and for all, and I promise, after this lesson, you'll never mix them up again. Hey everyone, this is Anna, and you're listening to the Slow English Podcast. Here, we speak slowly, clearly, and help you understand real American English in a simple, natural way. In this episode, you'll learn the 3 most common prepositions in English: in, on, and at. Through a short story, a few easy examples, and some speaking practice to help it really stick. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn English, one simple step at a time. Let's listen to a short conversation first. Here's Emma and Jake, 2 friends meeting to study together at a cafe.
Hey Jake, where are you? I'm at the cafe, sitting in the corner near the window.
Oh, I'm on the bus right now. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Okay, I left your notebook on the table. It's in your red bag.
Perfect. I think I forgot my pen at home.
No problem. I have an extra one in my pencil case.
Thanks, Emma. See you in a bit. At the cafe.
See you soon.
Now listen again at normal speed.
Hey Jake, where are you? I'm at the cafe, sitting in the corner near the window.
Oh, I'm on the bus right now. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Okay, I left your notebook on the table. It's in your red bag.
Perfect. I think I forgot my pen at home.
No problem. I have an extra one in my pencil case.
Thanks, Emma. See you in a bit. At the cafe.
See you soon.
All right, let's go through this conversation together, line by line, and look at how we use in, on, and at in real life. Emma says, "I'm at the cafe." We use at when we talk about a specific place or point. Think of at like a pin on a map, one exact spot. I'm at the cafe. I'm at school. I'm at home. Not in the home, just at home. Then she says, "I'm sitting in the corner." Here we use in because the corner is an enclosed space, like a small area inside a bigger place. In means inside or within something. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the car. I'm in London. Then Jake says, "I'm on the bus." We use on for public transport, bus, train, plane, and also for surfaces. Think of on as being on top of or connected to something. You are on the bus, on the train, on the plane, or on a chair. You're also on the phone or on the internet. Then Emma says, "I left your notebook on the table." See, it's about surface. The notebook touches the surface of the table. It's in your red bag. Here we use in again because the notebook is inside the bag, surrounded by it. Then Jake says, "I forgot my pen at home." Remember, at is used when you talk about a specific point or place. Home is one point, a place on the map, so we say at home. Then Emma says, I have an extra one in my pencil case. Again, in because the pen is inside the case. At the end, Jake says, see you at the cafe. Perfect. One specific place. So, in this short conversation, you heard all 3 prepositions, each used in a natural, simple way. Let's make this super easy to remember. Here are 3 short memory tricks for you. In is used when something or someone is inside a space. You can imagine 4 walls around you. You're in the room, in the box, or in the city. If you feel surrounded by something, you usually use in. I'm in my room. She's in Japan. There's milk in the fridge. On is used when something is touching a surface, or when we talk about transport and technology. For example, you can say on the table, on the bus, or on the phone. If it's flat, or if you can sit or stand on it, use on. The book is on the table. He's on the bus. I'm on my phone. At is used when you talk about a specific point or place. You can say at the door, at school, or at 25 Green Street. If you can point to the exact spot, then at is the right choice. I'm at the door. She's at work. We met at a concert. Easy, right? Now, let's talk about pronunciation for a second. When you say these short prepositions, in, on, and at, they're usually not stressed in a sentence. Native speakers say them softly, quickly, and connect them to the next word. For example, when you say, I'm in the room, it sounds smooth and fast. I'm in the room. Or she's on the bus, you don't stop between words. She's on the bus. And he's at school becomes he's at school. Notice how at joins with school. Try to keep your tone smooth. Don't overpronounce the prepositions. They're short, light, and flow with the sentence. All right, now it's your turn to practice. I'll say each sentence slowly first. Repeat after me. Then we'll say it together at normal speed. Ready? Let's go. I'm in my room. I'm in my room. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. She's at work. She's at work. I live in Finland. I live in Finland. He's on the train. He's on the train. They met at a restaurant. They met at a restaurant. There's water in the bottle. There's water in the bottle. My phone is on the bed. My phone is on the bed. Let's meet at the park. Let's meet at the park. Nice work. Keep repeating these sentences until you feel natural. The more you shadow, the more confident and fluent you'll sound. Here's a quick challenge for you. Look around the room you're in right now. Say 5 sentences using in, on, and at. For example, my keys are on the desk. I'm in my bedroom. My cat is at the window. Simple, but effective. This is how you build real speaking habits. All right, let's review what you learned today. In for inside spaces. On for surfaces and transport. At for specific points or places. You listened to a real conversation, practiced pronunciation, and repeated real English sentences. That's amazing work. Keep listening, keep repeating, and your English will grow naturally, one small step at a time. Watch the next episode to keep building your English fluency, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!